In this video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first thing, you're gonna know that you can delete your app from your app library, or you can delete your app just for home screen. Let me show you how it works. I got that app, Battle.net. And if I tap and hold on that app, that panel is appeared, and here I can remove app, I can share app, and I can edit home screen. And if I want to remove that app completely, I need to select the first option, because I can also select edit home screen, tap on that minus icon, and here tap on remove from home screen. If I'll select that option, the app is removed, but it's actually still in my app library. I see it here at social group. Also, I can swipe down and search for that app in my app library. I see this app is still here. I can tap and hold on that app and move it to my home screen again, and the app is still there. So to completely delete the app, I need to do the following. I need tap and hold on the app, select remove app, confirm that action by tapping on delete app, and here again tap on delete to completely delete that app. That's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.